When you work in a warm climate, it's important to wear comfortable clothes. And the reason I'm covering all of my skin is because I'm working with a nasty customer. Most people know that plants with white, milky sap are dangerous, and the Euphorbias are classics. It's a toxic sap, and it can be caustic as well. This is a dwarf poinsettia, and I love it. But the thing is, this plant can be somewhat weedy, and so I'm going to deadhead it before it seeds too far. Now, when I've covered myself with these clothes, I will get hot and I will perspire, and the temptation is to wipe your brow on your clothes. Try and resist that. I've seen too many people taken off to eye hospitals because the sap gets on the clothes and then they wipe it on their face or in their eyes. And before I start cutting, I'm going to use a penetrating oil that disperses water. And I'm going to spray it over the blades like this. This stops the sap from sticking, and it also improves the accuracy and the flexibility of tools, particularly if you're using hedge trimmers. It's a wonderful tip. And now I'm just going to deadhead some of these plants. Now, when you finish the job, it's important to clean the tools, wash your clothes, and have a shower.